Fellow engineers, let's talk about the specific heat interactive calculator and how it streamlines thermal analysis in your designs. This calculator solves a fundamental thermodynamics problem we face daily, determining how much energy is needed to change a material's temperature. Whether you're designing heat exchangers, thermal management systems, or process equipment, you need accurate heat transfer calculations fast. The calculator has three essential input fields. First is mass, measured in kilograms or pounds, representing the actual amount of material you're heating or cooling. For industrial applications, this might range from a few kilograms for small components to thousands of kilograms for large vessels. Second is specific heat capacity, the energy required to raise 1 kilogram of material by 1 degree. Water has a specific heat of 4,186 joules per kilogram Kelvin, while steel is around 490. Third is temperature change in degrees Celsius or Fahrenheit, the difference between your initial and final temperatures. Here's a practical example. You're heating a 250 kilogram steel tank from 20 to 80 degrees Celsius. Input mass, 250 kilograms. Specific heat capacity, 490 joules per kilogram Kelvin. Temperature change, 60 degrees. The calculator instantly shows you need 7.35 megajoules of energy. That's roughly 2 kilowatt hours, helping you size your heating system appropriately. The output gives you total energy in joules, BTUs, or kilowatt hours. Use these values to specify heaters, calculate cycle times, or determine cooling requirements. This energy requirement directly impacts your equipment sizing and operating costs. One critical insight: always account for heat losses to the environment, as real systems typically require 20 to 30% more energy than theoretical calculations suggest. Find the link in the description below.